Alright, so this is the secret ingredient with my Hoover carpet cleaner. I use hot water and I keep the spot refilled every time I do a fill on the steam cleaner, and believe it or not, that takes off the stains off the carpet. If there's anything left behind, it's minuscule and I'm okay with that. Alright, so here's part of the job. I've already done this much, kind of right here. These are just paint stains. I had a stained piece of furniture here, and for some reason it wasn't dried completely, so carpet is going to be stained until I replace it, but that doesn't bother me. Having cats in the house is what bothers me, you know, because they do sometimes, out of stress, pee in various places. So I just went all over here. There was a bunch of pee stains and they are gone. This Hoover, I gotta tell you, it paid for itself. $179.99 plus tax at Walmart many years ago. I don't know, I think 2012, 13, 14 is when I bought it, but you know, now there might be a little more, but it's definitely worth the investment if you want to do it yourself. Just take a day off on the weekend and go at it. And like I said, hot water is the key ingredient. Hot water kind of breaks down all the dirt. Easy hot water. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna wear my Crocs. I got the other one here too, because the carpet gets wet, so I like my feet to stay dry. So that's basically one key ingredient too. Make sure you wear something when you do this cleaning job. All right, the show must go on.